If you want to replace the battery on your smoke detector, simply grab your smoke detector and twist it counterclockwise to release it. Then remove the battery from it. And also you want to reset your smoke alarm, otherwise it might still continue chirping or beeping. So the way we do it, we simply press the button on it for maybe like 30 seconds and keep holding for 30 seconds. On most, you probably will only see one button, so keep pressing it for 30 seconds. These smoke alarms actually store a bit of energy still inside in a capacitor, so we won't fully discharge it, otherwise again it might cause some problems for you. Then simply take your new battery. As you see, this is also spring loaded here, so see where you have the plus and minus and simply drop in your battery. And to attach it back, see where you have the connector pins, so aligned with these holes here. Okay, and simply then try to get it in and twist it clockwise, so to secure it. Again, if you want to remove it, so counterclockwise. If you want to attach it, clockwise. Like